How to use Zyro.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to Zyro.com, which is a user-friendly website builder platform that allows individuals and businesses to create stunning websites without any coding knowledge. It offers a wide range of customizable templates and drag and drop features for easy website creation. With built-in SEO tools, e-commerce functionality, and reliable hosting, Zyro.com empowers users to establish a professional online presence. Its affordable pricing and responsive customer support make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced website creators. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So here you can see why Zyro, why to use Zyro, the products that this platform offers, resources, website templates, and the pricing. So let's check the website templates. Let's open a new tab. So here we have some pretty decent website templates. Let's see this one. We hit preview. So this is a pretty good website. It's very modern website. We see the tablet view and the mobile phone view. Let's go back and let's go to the main page. We just close this one and let's start for free. So here we can create our account, or we can just continue with our Google account. So I'm going to create my new account and get back with. So you can get started and create your new website from here. Get started. Then you can choose any of the templates that this platform offers. So let's look. You can here choose by category. You can choose by your categories. I'm going with marketing, and I'm going to browse through marketing templates and see these templates. So I'm going to look for a good template. Services, quality. So I'm going to go with this one. Start building. You can always preview it before proceeding to start building it. So this is the designing phase where you can change the design of your template. You can change the logo, this section, change the pictures, change the colors. As you can see, you can change everything here. You can change pretty much everything. You can see the mobile, how it looks in the mobile. You can see how it looks in the laptop and in your top left. You have the website manager, and here you have all websites. Here we have the plus button if you want to add new elements. So just click add elements, and you can choose if you want to add a text or a button or a bug or a video, gallery, image, and so on. Let's close this one. And here you can see the pages and navigation. You can change the order of the main navigation from bottom to down, like this. You can just drag and you'll be able to move the section, and here you have the hidden from navigation like home. And if you want to add pages, you can also add them from here. And here you have the colors, you have the website styles, from the colors to the text, buttons to the animation. You can choose or you can change any color you want. Here you can change the text to any font you want. Buttons also, from round to sharp. You can choose also the animation if you want it slide or scale or fade. So let's leave it at slide. Here we can change all the typings in the website. You can change this quote or this one also. We will change it to our quotes, something like purchase now, buy now. Here we have the drafts, scheduled, and the published. As you can see, you can change this one, this big paragraph here. We can just change it from this place. We also have AI assisting, as you can see, and if you want to hide a section, you just click hide, and you can select if you want to hide it in the mobile only or the desktop or both, like this. And if you see these lines, it's hidden in the mobile and the desktop, so you're just going to leave it showable if you want to copy something or to delete, or if you want to edit the text. So here you can see your checkout page, but you need to add a store, so we don't have a store for now. Let's close this one. Here we have the AI tools, logo maker. You can make a logo with AI writer, AI heat map, and here we have the statistics or the insights. As you can see, we have no data for now, so let's go back, close this one, and here we have the language. If you want to change languages or to add multiple options from here. And here we have the search bar and the marketing phase or the feedback. Here we have the questions, help, resources, and the settings of our website. So after we are done, you can just hit save, and you will save all the edits you made to your website, and then you can hit preview to see how your website looks. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.